How to get pink, juicy lips under budget at home. Eerie, Glowbie style. Hey Daisies! Are your lips feeling crustier than stale bread? Or maybe you've been dreaming of those soft, pink, juicy lips that scream, "I'm the main character"? Well, your wish is my command. Today, I'm dropping 10 budget-friendly DIY secrets to transform those lips from me to chef's kiss. Let's glow up and make your pout Daisy-approved. Welcome back to Glowbie, your one-stop channel for glow-up tips, tricks, and transformations, all while keeping your wallet happy. If you're new here, welcome to the Daisy fam, where we glow together, grow together, and occasionally spill tea, but only the aesthetic kind. Don't forget to subscribe because, trust me, you don't want to miss this glow train. Now, let's dive into these lip care secrets. Point 1. Exfoliation. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Step 1 to juicy lips. Get rid of that crusty layer like you're peeling old wallpaper. Here's the ultimate DIY scrub. 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon honey, and a dash of coconut oil. Mix it up and gently massage onto your lips for 2 minutes. It's like giving your lips a mini spa day. But listen, Daisies, don't scrub like you're trying to erase a mistake. Be gentle. Your lips deserve love, not a WWE smackdown. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and your lips will be thanking you like you just gave them a day off. Point 2. Hydration. Quench the thirst. After scrubbing, your lips are basically screaming, "Hydrate me, please." Grab your favorite lip balm, a dab of coconut oil, or even plain aloe vera gel. Trust me, hydration is the key to going from desert vibes to dewy dreams. Oh, and here's the pro move. Use a balm with SPF because the sun doesn't care if your lips are cute. Sunburned lips are not part of the aesthetic. Point 3. DIY. Lip mask. Bedtime magic. Okay, Daisies, let's talk overnight magic. Before bed, mix a little shea butter and honey, slap it on your lips, and let it work its glow-up powers while you sleep. You'll wake up with lips so soft, they'll make your pillows jealous. And hey, if you're feeling extra, play some calming music, light a candle, and make it a whole self-care moment. Because why not? You deserve it. Point 4. DIY lip tint, budget Barbie moment. Want that natural pink lip tint but don't feel like spending $20 on a fancy product? Here's the ultimate hack. Beetroot juice. Grate a beet, squeeze out the juice, and mix it with a little melted coconut oil. Pop it into a cute little jar, and you've got yourself a natural, budget-friendly lip tint. Bonus. It's so edible that if you accidentally taste it, you're basically just getting your veggies in for the day. Multitasking. Am I right? Point 5. Water, the unsung hero. Daisies, listen up. If you're not drinking enough water, your lips will spill the tea and show the world. Dehydrated lips are just your body's way of saying, "Girl, drink some H2O." So keep a cute water bottle nearby and sip away. Think of it as the simplest glow-up hack ever. Point 6. Stop licking your lips. PSA moment. Let's get real for a second. Stop licking your lips. It might feel like a quick fix, but it's actually drying them out faster than your crush leaving you on red. Instead, keep a mini lip balm in your pocket. Lip licking is out. Hydration is in. Point 7. Matte lipstick. Hack. Matte lipstick is cute until it starts cracking like a dry riverbed. Here's the hack. Always layer a hydrating balm underneath your matte lipstick. You get the bold color without sacrificing your lips' moisture. It's like wearing socks with heels. Unexpected, but it works. Point 8. Budget-friendly favorites. Not into DIY? No worries, Daisies. Here are some affordable lip care gems. Vaseline, the OG multitasker. Nivea lip balm, classic and effective. Baby lips, a tinted balm that never misses. All under $10 and all Daisy approved. Your wallet stays happy and your lips stay hydrated. Win-win. Point 9. SPF lip balm. Protect your pout. The sun isn't just out to roast your skin, it's coming for your lips too. Always, and I mean always, use a lip balm with SPF. Think of it as a shield for your pout. No SPF, no glow. Period. Point 10. Consistency is key. Here's the truth bomb, Daisies. Glowing up your lips won't happen overnight. You've got to stay consistent. Follow these steps regularly, and soon you'll have lips that are soft, pink, and juicy enough to star in their own rom-com. And there you have it, Daisies. 10 easy, fun, and budget-friendly ways to glow up your lips. Remember, your lips deserve as much love as your skincare routine. So, which tip are you trying first? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, stay glowing and growing. Love ya, Daisies.